Hey guys, back with another video. I'm beating my cornstarch out my bottle. No, I like the squeeze bottle. I really do. This which cornstarch do I have in this bottle? Great value. I need to start writing down, putting the little stickers on different ones. I have different bottles, so I have different ones, but I be knowing the taste. So I think probably about one time I got the taste wrong, the name, whichever one that it was one time, but it's okay. Because right now I'm finna put my thing on, because I'm finna probably be messy like a baby. Because you know this stuff can get messy there. But you know, hey, wait a minute. Let me get my other towel. Wait a minute, y'all. Oh, gracious. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Back. It be so good, I'm telling you. It's good, but it can't get everywhere. So I'm just finna wrap myself like I'm a baby. Which I know I ain't no baby, but hey. And then I gotta get my church thing going on. Y'all, cause I be just, hey, I have to have my church as well. I'm gonna tell you, I do a lot, but at the same time, I need the Lord. Thank you, Jesus. So, cause He will provide. So, listen to that, y'all. Oh, that sound good. See, that's why I need help, cause I be fiending. See, I can be talking about something else and get back on the cornstarch. Listen to that. I can enjoy myself today. I'm going to be quiet because London is not here to interrupt me. She's out the house. She's at church. And I got to go to church too. But I'm too busy. Got to get cornstarch. Ain't that something? I got to get cornstarch first. But I'm still going to pray. I'm telling you, this is a disease. That darn dog better not start barking because I'm going to say, shut up! I got to have this so I can go anywhere. So I need to hurry up so I can get dressed and get to church. So they don't know I have to have this. I'm going to take it in the car with me. So when I, I might have to step out for a minute and then go to the car and get some of this or put it in my pocketbook and then go to the bathroom. So I'll be fiending, child. Wrap myself up like I'm a baby now. I know a lot of y'all like, I'm saying some like the smoke. And that I do. I love it. Mm. 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 Mhm. Mhm. Mm. 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 Mhm. 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 Mm. 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 Guys, I love playing around with it. Playing with my cornstarch. Mm. Mhm. 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 Mm. 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 Mhm. 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 I love playing my cornstarch. Y'all like that, don't you? You like that smoke, don't you? I know you do. I know you do. I know it. Mhm. 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 Mhm.